I need. We have. Do we have food coloring? Food coloring is actually the best blood.
Yeah.
We do. We have red.
Yeah. I'm not understanding.
Oh, and I could just mix it up with something thick, like. Anyway, I'm gonna be putting the camera right here, guys. I hope y'all didn't see any half of my butt. This is mad short, but yeah, it's great. So I've been coughing a whole lot. 2 days ago, he slept over here, and I was coughing on my bed. And he was like, "You need something to drink?" And I was like, "No, thanks." And yeah, so I was just coughing at night, basically, because my throat is very like itchy, like yeah. So yeah, a prank. I decided that I'm gonna just use food coloring instead of buying fake blood, because it actually worked out pretty well. I'm hiding the food coloring right here in this plant. It's right here. It's right here. Okay. So when I'm coughing, like. Babe, you're not gonna notice. Sorry, I'm looking at my little sister right now. She acting really dumb. I'm a pageant girl. Look. My room look a mess. Excuse that.
I learned this from the dude.
Okay, anyways, yeah, back to the. Come in, Susie. Oh, dang, it's too zoomed in. What if he come? Oh, I zoomed in. My mistake. That's one.
Cooking.
Thank you, Susie, for being my. I can't. I guess I'm gonna have to sit on the toilet. Let me see you sit on the toilet. Okay, act like you're coughing. Oh, the bottom of my head is gonna be cut off a little bit. I need to angle it more. Okay, go ahead. Thanks. I'm gonna text him and ask him when he's gonna come over to my house, because he's supposed to spend the night here. So yeah. I just don't want to go back home. Get back home. Shirt on top of that. Here, I'm gonna open the door for him. You look crazy in this video, but I just retwisted my hair and I braided it up, so good. I don't use clips. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna open the door for him right now. Come in, babe.
You dying?
Huh?
I'm dying.
Okay.
What you doing? That's cool. I haven't seen you wear this before. But I think.
Thank you. Don't do that. Yeah, I don't feel good.
We can skip church tomorrow. You want? Don't die.
Huh?
Stop dying. Don't die. Oh, that's. Yeah, you pranking me. He's such a bad actor, yo.
so bad.
You're so happy for half a second. Half heartbeat. Half heartbeat. Where's the camera? Where's the camera at? No, oh, it's right here. I see it.
I suck, man.
Oh, I didn't even walk all the way in.
That's fine. I have one right there.
Oh.
Dang it. Why do I suck so bad? I already started laughing.
There's too much blood.
But your face was like.
It was because the cough was serious. Like, the cough was good. The cough was good. I don't know. You did a good cough. But when I saw your mouth, I was like, yeah, it's fake. I've seen people. I've bled by my mouth enough to know. I had a feeling there was a reason why you were like locking the door and running in the house and not waiting for me to come in.
So guys, clearly he did not fall for the prank, but it's like you can see on his face that he was shocked for like a second, right?
The coughing was genuine, but there was too much blood for that.
I didn't need to put that much in there either. I don't know. It just
you just needed to put like a dab or two.
But it's like
because when you cough up blood,
No, but I mean like I've only put a dot.
Oh, and that's how much it happened?
Yeah.
Like when you first cough up blood, it's like splatter at first, then it gets heavy. So like for you to cough and then it'd be that much, I was like, yeah, that's too much. That's too much.
And I already started laughing. You guys saw like
Yeah, she was smiling too. I was like, yeah, no.
I can't.